Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to know which are the best vitamins for knee diseases, watch the video until the end. The number one vitamin for healthy knees. Prevents surgery, inflammation, pain. Does climbing stairs feel like scaling Everest? Do your knees protest when you head to the garden or play with kids? You're not alone. If your knees are crying out, stick around because today I'm sharing my top 3 vitamins to ease knee pain and help you move more freely. Knee pain can be debilitating, but don't lose hope. Relief is on the way with these natural remedies. Let's get down to giving your knees the care and attention they desperately need. Now, before we dive into the good stuff, let's have a quick refresher on knee anatomy. Your knee joint is made up of bones, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, muscles, and fluids working together to allow smooth, pain-free movement. When any of these structures are damaged due to injury, or just normal wear and tear, it can cause pain, stiffness, swelling, and loss of function. 2 of the most important components for healthy knees are cartilage and synovial fluid. Cartilage is the rubbery, smooth tissue at the ends of your bones that allows your joints to glide smoothly. It acts as a natural shock absorber and protects the bones from grinding together. I like to think of cartilage as the soft covering that coats the ends of your bones, allowing them to slide past each other effortlessly. Synovial fluid is the thick, slippery liquid inside the knee joint capsule that lubricates and nourishes the joint. To visualize synovial fluid, imagine it as the motor oil that keeps the knee lubricated and running smoothly. Keeping your cartilage healthy and maintaining adequate synovial fluid is absolutely crucial for pain-free, healthy knees. So, how do vitamins help? Well, certain vitamins play a vital role in building and repairing cartilage, reducing inflammation, and maintaining healthy synovial fluid. Getting enough of these vitamins can promote strong and flexible joints and potentially slow down the progression of arthritis. Research shows that the right vitamins can be game changers for joint health. The top 3 vitamins for knee health are vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Let's explore how each of these vitamins benefits your knees. First, let's call it C for cartilage. You probably know that vitamin C boosts the immune system and fights colds. But did you know it also plays a key role in collagen production? Collagen is the main protein found in joint cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. It acts like the glue that holds your joints together. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, which is the process of making new, healthy collagen to maintain and repair cartilage. Experts say getting enough vitamin C protects cartilage, keeping it strong and flexible, and helps repair damage. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation in the joints. Foods rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits, berries, broccoli, bell peppers, and leafy greens. Experts recommend getting 75 to 100 milligrams per day. Slow-release supplements are an ideal way to ensure a steady supply. Next, let's call it the sunshine vitamin for your knees. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone health. But vitamin D also has significant anti-inflammatory effects that benefit your joints. Studies show that people with low levels of vitamin D experience more knee pain and stiffness compared to those with optimal levels. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and prevent it from attacking the joints, which reduces inflammation and cartilage damage. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight exposure. But foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified milk also contain vitamin D. For those without adequate sun exposure, experts recommend vitamin D supplements to reach the optimal daily value of 1,000 to 4,000 international units. Vitamin D3 supplements are the best absorbed and utilized. Finally, let's talk about vitamin E for protection. This powerful antioxidant protects cells from free radical damage that can destroy cartilage. Vitamin E also blocks enzymes that break down synovial fluid, helping to keep your joints lubricated and cushioned. Foods high in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy greens, and whole grains. Experts recommend getting 15 milligrams per day from food or supplements. Natural vitamin E, such as D-alpha-tocopherol, is best absorbed. Now you know the top vitamins for supporting your knees. But how much should you take? Here are some expert-recommended daily intakes. Vitamin C, 75 to 100 milligrams. Vitamin D, 1,000 to 4,000 international units. Vitamin E, 15 milligrams. It's ideal to meet your needs through food first, then supplement any gaps with vitamins. Combining all three in a daily supplement can be convenient. Always take vitamins with food for better absorption. These vitamins are very safe in recommended doses. However, megadoses can pose long-term risks. It's best to consult your doctor about the appropriate intakes for your individual needs, as medications and medical conditions can interact with vitamins. Alright, we've covered knee anatomy, cartilage and synovial health, and the top 3 vitamins for knee pain relief and protection. Let's recap. Vitamin C helps build and repair cartilage and reduces inflammation. Vitamin D promotes joint health and reduces inflammation. Vitamin E protects cartilage and supports joint function. Getting enough of these 3 all-star vitamins can help strengthen your knees and reduce pain naturally. Eat vitamin-rich foods and consider supplements to meet your daily needs. Today was just the beginning of natural knee remedies. Stay tuned for more tips coming soon. Doesn't an active, pain-free life sound amazing? Start your journey to knee health today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.